you want me to cover this evening. That's once again any crypto.
Censoring's Gold Crypto Investing, and we're going to start off this update with something that to me is important because it plays into the overall what's going on in the markets. And you can see, as old Vincenzo's been saying, not so much on this channel, but in my other social medias and just everyday life with people that I work with and whatnot, I told them that how easy it was to get everybody to fall into the COVID, everyone's going to die trap, and we need authoritarianism and communist rule of shutting down forcibly with jail time, fines, and outright confiscation of property and business. If you didn't submit to the authoritarian, you must shut your business down for 14 days, which turned into 6 months to 12 months in a lot of areas in the United States. And around the world, they're still shut down, right? Australia is still a disaster, right? China and more communist countries that already had less freedom to begin with. Like Australia is essentially a prison island, right? That's why it was created, essentially. It's some of the strictest, most authoritarian that you can imagine that came out of it. Then they gave them some kind of freedom, but you can see that was just an illusion that they gave them because it's just been stripped away now from them, and it's a disaster, right? It's an outright disaster there in a lot of other places, but it was so easy for the world governments to run straight to China, the Chinese virus, as now when they said it was conspiracy theories, because you call it the Asian flu, the Malaysian flu, West Nile, right? All these, the Spanish flu, right? It's because that's where it originated. It's not because it's racist. It's called the Chinese flu, Chinese virus, because now it's become pretty much, it's now mainstream that the United States in cahoots with China in labs that we had in the United States and then shift them over to Japan, right? These